What's up, everybody? The Educator here, School Your Brain. And what I want to show you is something I'm actually pretty excited about. I created my very first digital escape room. Matter of fact, let's call it the Bitmoji Escape Room. I'm going to walk you through what it looks like. And if you like it, hit the like button for part 2 on how to make your very own Bitmoji Escape Room. Okay, so let's get started. We push here once. So if you notice in the background I have music playing. That's an element that I added to my digital escape room, and you'll be able to do the same thing as well. So I'm going to go down here real quick, and it says escape room version 1. So if I hit next, go to the library for the first lot code, and it says clue 1, I like prime numbers. So I need to go to the library and figure out how to use the clue which says I like prime numbers. Okay, so I'm going to the library, which I see a library pass here. And notice, if I click around, nothing happens when I click around. If I click here back to class, it takes me back to class. So let me just go back to the library because that was the instructions, and the clue was I like prime numbers. So based on what I see here, I got to figure out what to do with that clue. So if I don't know what a prime number is, then I have to look it up through Google, figure out what's a prime number. And once I know what it is, I know that prime numbers are numbers such as 3, 5, 7, and if I look here, just books with numbers. So if I click on the prime numbers like 5, 7, 11, 13, and look, 13 was the clue, was the correct answer for that clue. And if you notice, this has a theme that goes together, like it goes to a book that opened up. And if I go back to the library, notice that 13 was a book itself. So if I go there, it says, what is a value or number that never changes in an equation? So if I go to the Google form now, I gotta enter that as my lot code. So I have to think of a value or number that never changes in an equation. Let's just say that I thought the answer was number. I hit next, and boom, try again. But it's not number, it's actually the answer is constant. So I hit next, and boom, it takes me to clue number 2. Is the sink clogged? And notice here it says go to the bathroom for the second lot code. Okay, so I'm gonna go back up to my digital escape room, and I have to go to the bathroom. So go back here, there's no bathroom here, go back to class. Notice there's another pass here, it says laugh pass. So I'm gonna click on the laugh pass, and it takes me to the bathroom. The clue was is the sink clogged? So if I click here, it takes me to the drain, and I can see that there's another clue here, a little piece of paper that says number 2, square root of 25. So I know the answer to that would be 5. So if I go down to my answer, 5 is the answer. Hit next. Congratulations, you escaped. And I submit my answer, and I am all done. Do me a favor, if you like the idea of creating your very own Bitmoji escape room, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and turn on the notifications. That way, you get the heads up when I upload a video to YouTube, so you can get started on your very own Bitmoji escape room. And I'll be releasing that by the end of this week. Until next time, see you later.